Man, I really want to get in the bus right now. Can I come in? Can I come in? What? Oh, there's the bus. So here, let's take a look. Last night we had our party. Welcome to our home. Current house rules. Use your imagination on unfinished parts. Sign our garage. Explore. So we can do one of those things in this video. Hopefully you'll do the first one. So this is going to be covered up. But there's a plant. It's a super nice plant. Little accent piece. Plant shelf. Yeah, there's totally no electrical issues underneath this blanket. Over here, it's totally a countertop. That's gonna still be a shoe place. But there's our current electrical situation. This is our little part. There's the bus keys and the Puccios. And then here's our couch. So this is like 9 feet long. Excellent. Tall friends, visit us, please. This is a chair, my sandals, plant, sweet LED lights, broom. This is our cast iron incense burner because we're getting the gasket for the rest of the stovepipe soon. It's coming in on Monday. Look at our little table. I'd fold it down, but I'd probably break a lot of glass, so I'm not going to do that. As we come over here, we've decorated this little door some. And here's a little rounded shelf. Look at it. It's all the stuff we're gonna figure out how to secure that when we drive eventually. This is actually gonna end up being, another little countertop area. Stove. That'll have propane someday. Spice rack. I made that. Looks pretty cool. Hey, can you pass me the Chipotle? But this isn't in a bowl at all. Anyway. Little wreath. I made that. Little basket. Somebody else made that. Look at our counters. Look at it. Just look at it. This is like chop, 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 chop. Do some dishes. Put it over there with the whiskey. Come on down. Man, my toast is ready. Woo! Now I'm going to get my coffee cup. Yay! Oh, it's actually pretty gross. Need to wash that. But we don't have water hooked up yet, so Got some flour, because gotta bake something with some sugar. I don't know what. Here, I'll get a recipe card. Nice. Look, it's a fruit basket. And then, thanks, Chris. Thanks, Chris. Thanks, Allison. I think Ashley Busson got this, one of Jamie's college friends. Thanks, Chris. Thanks, Jamie. That's not where shoes go, but it's okay. Bathroom. Feast of days. So delicious. Stack of towels. We don't have any toilet paper yet, so we're just kind of making our way through all these towels. Castile soap. Get all of our little shelves. Bonk. And then here, peppermint lavender scrub. This is the best place. Very dangerous. Easy to stay here forever. Jamie's little memory wall. My little cave corner. Put a little blanket up over that. It's like sleeping in a cave. It's so cool. Look, there's a cat up there. Shelf, camera. I made this. Hat. So that's our bus. Oh, and this is the little reading nook. Okay, let me get a shot of underneath. So like under here, there's our trunk. And way back in the corner, I know this is super dark, but this is where the litter box is gonna go, and we'll pull it out. There's our water tank. Oh, wait, here, it's the light. I don't know how good it's gonna do. Yeah, that doesn't really change anything. But yeah, here's a bunch of stuff. Look, so like clothes and whatnot. I'm supposed to be getting Jamie socks, but instead I got video. This is our pantry and closet. Closet space. pantry space, every chocolate things, chips, bag of chips, coffee, sweaters, delicious sweaters. Yeah. So that's our bus. And it's like, this is, you know, what it's going to look like, basically. There's a couple things we got to finish. Thank you for everybody that made it to the party. If you didn't, this video is for you. This video is for you to look around our bus. Under here, look, there's like storage and stuff. There's so many little like nooks. There's guitars in there, but you can't really see. How do I get it? Can you mark? There we go. Look, cable, drum, craft stuff. This is our fridge. More things. It's gonna be on like a carriage that comes out. Oh man, I got some trash. I'll put it with the DeWalt bits. I guess. Whatever. Drawer. We got a house. It's on a bus. So this thing, since it doesn't have the flue connected yet, we've been using it as an incense burner. It just comes out the top. It's pretty cool. Pans. Anyway. Bye.